have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly. The Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Stationery shopping. Papa was going on a scooter with Gattu. Gattu, your mummy and Chinky, they always send both of us to buy stuff.
Yes, Papa. Chinky wanted to drink cold coffee and we had to come get milk. We also missed our match.
Oh no.
What happened, Papa?
Gattu, look there. The department store in our locality is closed.
What? Now what will we do, Papa? There is only this one store here.
Gattu, now even I can't understand what should we do. We will have to take milk with us anyway.
Idea, Papa. Please check on your phone, on maps, the nearest departmental stores.
Wow, Gattu, great idea. I will check right now. Then Papa quickly finds another departmental store and with the help of maps they start going there. From behind, Gattu was showing Papa the way.
Papa, we have never been to this area. It is so peaceful and beautiful.
You are right, Gattu. There is so much greenery in this colony. Then Gattu's eyes fall on a big stationery store, which was very beautiful.
Papa, look there. What a big and beautiful stationery store. There must be so many stationery items here. Should we go and see once?
Gattu, we are getting late now. And Chinky is also not there. We'll come tomorrow with Chinky. Then both of you do stationery shopping here.
Okay, Papa.
Gattu agrees to it. And Papa buys milk and then they go back home. After going home, Gattu tells Chinky about the stationery shop.
Chinky, you know, that stationery store was so big. And there was a big pencil made outside it, which was smiling. I have never seen such a big stationery store. It is really strange, Gattu, that we live here only and never went to that stationery store. Yes, Chinky, but Papa said that he will take us tomorrow. Then we will buy a lot of things. Oh yes, Gattu, I want to buy a lot of things. All the pages of my diary are complete. I want to buy a new diary and watercolor brushes too and new pencils too. Chinky, we have run out of erasers too. And for that science project, we need to get the art file too. Oh yes, Gattu. Come on, let's make a list. Good idea, Chinky.
Then Gattu and Chinky sit down and start making a list for stationery shopping. Seeing them, Mummy says to Papa,
Oh, Fo, look. Now you will have to take both of them for stationery shopping for sure. They have been started making a list.
I will definitely take them. Gattu, Chinky, tomorrow is Sunday, right? Both be ready in the morning.
Okay, Papa.
Next day, Gattu and Chinky get ready after having breakfast. They take a jute bag from Mummy and also put their shopping list in it.
Ready. Come, let's go, Papa.
Okay, kids, let's go. Papa takes both of them to the same stationery shop in the car. Chinky also gets very excited on seeing the stationery shop.
Oh yes, Gattu. There is a really big pencil outside the store, which is smiling while looking at us. Chinky, let's go inside. Look, this store has 3 floors, which means it is going to take us a lot of time.
Gattu, Chinky go inside the store and see that the first compartment was filled with books and diaries. Different types of sheets, scrapbooks, glitter paper, chart papers and other things were kept there.
Wow! There are so many cute little diaries. Gattu, look at the pink diary with a lock. I wanted this for a long time. I don't even like writing a diary, Chinky, but have a look at this Iron Man diary. This too has a lock. Now I will also write a daily diary. Then we both have a diary with a lock. Matching. Chinky, let's get an art file now for a science project. Yes, let's go.
Gattu, Chinky go to the art files section and they are surprised to see that there were art files of so many different sizes.
So many different sizes and colors. Tinky, look there. We should get that A4 size art file. Yes, you're right, Kattu. And look, with scrapbook. This one has dark colored pages and this one has light and this one has glitter pages. Look how beautiful they are. Tinky, let's get all the three. This will help us in craft as well. Okay, done. Let's go in the compartment that has pencils and erasers. And that is on the upper floor. Okay, Papa. Come on, let's go upstairs now.
Okay, kids, let's go. Gattu Chinky go upstairs and see many kinds of watercolors, pencils, pens, and other accessories. Papa starts looking at the pens and Gattu and Chinky rest of the stuff.
Chinky, look at these fruit-shaped erasers. And that too so big. Let's hope Papa does not eat these on Sunday morning thinking they are fruits, Kattu. Oh yes, you are right, Tinky. Then Papa will never make any mistake because he has eaten the eraser. You too, Gattu. But look at this watercolor brushes and that too of such different kinds. These are perfect, right? Tinky, take these watercolors too. Ours are about to finish, right? Okay. And look at these sticky notes. Those two in heart shape. These are so cute. I will put them on my study table. It will look great, Tinky. Oh, wow. Kattu, look at the Barbie pencils. I will take 2 of these. One for me and one for Goody too. There are so many more cute pencils here. Look at this one. It has a cupcake on the top. This I will take for Bunty. He likes cupcake a lot. Yes, and this burger pencil is for Hari. Papa, what did you buy?
Me? Gattu Chinky, I bought this pen for my office. It's nice, isn't it?
Yes, Papa, it is very nice.
So Gattu Chinky, are you done with your shopping?
Oh no, Papa. The last compartment is still left. The one above this one. Now we have to see what is over there. Come on, Kattu, let's go quickly.
Then when the three go to the upper section, they are surprised. Because that entire section is filled with comic books. There were all kinds of comics, both old and new. Papa also likes it a lot. Hey, what's this? Gattu Chinky, look! There are comic books over here that were published many years ago. This is like a gold mine. Look, this Superman comic book, I used to read it in my childhood. Wow!
What? Really, Papa? Then tell me, can I read it?
Yes, Gattu. I know this is very interesting. And look, this one. This is Chulbuli Chinky ke Kisse.
Chinky, this comic book is named after you. Oh yes, Kattu.
Chinky dear, you won't believe it. But your mummy used to read this comic book a lot in childhood. She told me about it. And she liked this character very much. That's why she named you the same. Chinky is surprised to hear Papa's words.
What? Really? Papa, this is amazing. Then I also want this comic book. I will also read about myself. Now let's quickly buy all these things and go home. I have to show Mummy this iconic book of our childhood. Yes, let's go.
Okay kids, then let's go. Get the billing done. Gattu Chinky come back home after doing a lot of shopping. And start showing all the things to Mummy. And then Chinky shows Mummy that comic book too.
Mummy, look at this.
This? Wow! Where did you get this? Chinky ke Chulbule Kisse? I used to read this a lot. This comic book used to come every Saturday.
We found this in the same store. That's why we bought it.
This is very nice. Thank you so much, kids.
Then everyone looks at all the stuff together and Gattu Chinky start reading comic books.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.